Hello guys, welcome back. I am Valentin and today I'm going to show you my version of cheeseburger. For this we're going to need beef mince, 300 grams for 2 portions. We're going to need ketchup, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, 1 egg yolk, a bit of fresh rosemary, some mayo, 1 clove of garlic, gherkins, bacon, smoked cheese and some salad. I will start first by doing the mix of the burger so after that I can rest it straight away for at least half an hour in the fridge. For the beef mince, we're gonna need a bit of ketchup. Don't forget guys, all the ingredients, you're gonna find them on the description below. Salt, 1 egg yolk, Dijon mustard, fresh rosemary, and pepper. From this mix, I'm gonna make 2 patties and I'm gonna leave it rest in the fridge for at least half an hour. My version of burger sauce, salt and pepper, 1 clove of garlic, same quantity of mayonnaise and ketchup, now the sauce is ready. I'm going to start by cooking the bacon and toasting the bread. We're going to leave the buns for maximum 1.5–2 minutes till they are nice and golden. After I toast the bun, I'm going to cook the bacon. The bacon, I will not use any oil. I will leave the fat from the bacon to melt. Now, on the same pan, without adding any oil, we're going to cook the burger. I'm going to cook the burgers for 3 minutes for each side. By moving the burgers on the pan, we will move them on the parts where the pan is still hot, because here he got cold already. After cooking the burger for 3 minutes each side, very important to steam a bit the burger. So we're gonna add a bit of water and we're gonna cover it very fast. After steaming the burger, I'm gonna add the cheese. And I'm gonna cover it back and I will leave it for 30 seconds. I'm going to place now the burger on a plate and I will leave them rest for 2–3 minutes. After our burger rest for 3 minutes, we're going to start eating it. hope so you guys enjoy. This is my version of cheeseburger. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.